Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. So in the previous video we have learned that how to use .any method of promise and what it do. In this video we are going to be learning about the .race method of promise. So basically in the .any method it was ignoring all the, if any of the one promise got resolved, then it was ignoring all the rejected promises. But in this case what we want if whether it is the resolved promise or whether it is the rejected promise, whatever you know fulfilled or rejected first, we want that promise first. So to do that we can use Promise.race, and Promise.race pr1, pr2, pr3, right? And then then console dot log res, alright, and then dot catch err console.log err. Then as you can see that it is returning me promise1 resolve, because in our array sorting format the promise1 is in the 0 index. Let's replace it with promise2. Then you can see that it is returning promise2 resolve. In case promise2 got rejected, then it will also return as promise2 rejected, because it is rejecting first, as compared to all the other promises. So this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.